Feeling exhausted even when you're not physically busy? Your daily habits might be secretly draining your mental energy. These silent culprits could be stealing your focus and joy. Stick around because we're uncovering 5 habits that sap your mental strength and how to fix them. Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into the science of the mind to help you live better. If you're new, hit that subscribe button and join us. Today, we're talking about mental energy, your brain's fuel for focus, creativity, and happiness. Backed by psychology, we'll reveal 5 sneaky habits that drain it and share practical, research-based fixes. Let's get started. The first silent habit is overthinking, replaying conversations, or worrying about what-ifs. This mental loop, often called rumination, eats up your brain's resources. Studies from the Journal of Abnormal Psychology show overthinking increases stress and reduces problem-solving ability. For example, lying awake worrying about a work email steals your mental clarity for the next day. To fix it, try the worry window technique. Set aside 10 minutes a day to write down your concerns, then let them go. If thoughts creep in, remind yourself, "I'll deal with this later." This cuts the cycle and frees up mental space. Next is social comparison, constantly measuring yourself against others, especially on social media. Seeing someone's perfect life can make you feel inadequate, draining your confidence. Research from social psychological and personality science shows comparison triggers envy and lowers self-esteem. To break free, limit social media to 30 minutes a day and curate your feed. Unfollow accounts that spark comparison. Focus on your own progress by tracking personal wins, like learning a new skill. This shifts your attention inward, preserving your mental energy. The third habit is multitasking, overload, juggling too many tasks at once. You might think it saves time, but studies from Stanford University show multitasking reduces efficiency and exhausts your brain's cognitive resources. For instance, checking emails while working on a project splits your focus, leading to mistakes and stress. To fix it, try single tasking. Focus on one task for 25 minutes. Use a timer, like the Pomodoro technique, then take a short break. Prioritize your to-do list daily to avoid overwhelm. This boosts productivity and saves mental energy. Habit 4 is neglecting sleep hygiene habits like scrolling on your phone before bed or inconsistent sleep schedules. Poor sleep directly drains mental energy, as shown in sleep medicine reviews, impacting mood and focus. For example, late-night screen time suppresses melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. To fix it, create a bedtime routine. No screens 30 minutes before bed. Dim lights and aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Try a relaxing activity, like reading or meditating, to signal your brain it's time to rest. Better sleep recharges your mind. Finally, ignoring personal boundaries, saying yes to everything or letting others overstep your limits. This drains you emotionally, leaving little energy for yourself. Research in Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin links weak boundaries to burnout. For instance, agreeing to extra work when you're swamped can lead to resentment. To fix it, practice saying no kindly but firmly, like, "I'd love to help, but I'm stretched right now." Set clear work-life boundaries, like turning off notifications after 7 p.m. This protects your mental energy for what matters most. These 5 silent habits might be draining your mental energy, but with small changes, you can reclaim your focus and joy. Which habit will you tackle first? Drop it in the comments. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more psychology tips. Hit the bell, and I'll see you next time.